A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties or areas: Clatsop, Lincoln, and Tillamook, Oregon, beginning at 6:50 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Tuesday, May 28, 2024. Public health emergency for the Central and North Oregon coast. There have been multiple reports of paralytic shellfish poisoning from eating mussels harvested in the area from the Washington border to Seal Rock State Recreation Site south of Newport, Oregon. Mussels picked since Saturday must be thrown away, as cooking or freezing them does not kill the toxins. Paralytic shellfish poisoning can be deadly, especially for children. Appropriate medical care can lessen the risk of death. Do not feed these mussels to pets. If you ate mussels and feel sick, get medical help immediately. Signs of illness usually appear within 30 to 60 minutes, but can be delayed up to 48 hours, after a person eats toxic shellfish. Symptoms include numbness and tingling of the face, lips, tongue, arms, and legs. People also might have diarrhea and vomiting, headache, and nausea. Severe cases are associated with eating large doses of toxin. People may have poor muscle control, clumsiness, or slurred speech. Difficulty swallowing, loose or floppy limbs, mental status changes, and respiratory failure. Paralytic shellfish poisoning can be deadly, especially for children. Appropriate medical care can lessen the risk of death. Do not feed to pets. If you ate mussels and feel ill, get medical help immediately.